Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa with Next Up is Lisa, and I'm coming to you today to show you how we make our Popeye's fried chicken knockoff sandwich. It is Saturday, May 2nd. Not really sure about the date all the time. I have to think about it because we are still on stay-at-home orders in my state. So that's why the hat is on, because my hair isn't done, nails aren't done, no makeup kind of day, but I wanted something really delicious. So if this is your first time joining my channel, thank you, welcome. If you're a returning visitor or subscriber, welcome back. I would like to invite you all to subscribe to my channel and to click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Now, if you're interested in seeing how this knockoff Popeye's chicken sandwich recipe comes out, stay tuned. Okay everyone, I thought I had pushed the record to start, but I didn't. So I'm just going over with you what I've done. I have seasoned the chicken with the Tony Chacheres. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly. Creole seasoning and some black pepper. I have mixed an egg with some milk. And I have some House Autry seasoning that I am using for my chicken fry today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it in the egg and milk mixture and then dip it into the seasoned House of Autry's flour and cornmeal mixture. And what I'm going to do is actually double dip. So I'm going to put it right back into the egg mixture and then again into the House Autry seasoned flour, and this is what will give it the nice crunchy coating that we'll get from once we fry it up. So I'm just going to do that and then continue to do it for the rest of the chicken. Okay, and this is what everything looks like once I have coated all of the chicken, and I have gone over to the stove and put oil in my pan and have preheated it, and I'm going to take everything over and begin to fry the chicken. Once again, I forgot to hit the record button, so this is me putting in the first batch of chicken. I had to do it in batches. And as you can see, I've taken out the first batch, and this is the second batch that is cooking. And I'll show you in just a couple of seconds what everything looked like when it came out of the grease nice and crispy and browned. And that's what you have here, along with the French fries. Hi everybody, welcome back. We have fried the chicken. We've made some French fries to go with tonight's meal, and they're sitting over there. And while I was frying the chicken, Bree made the famous Popeye sauce that goes on the spicy sandwich, and she's here to share with you what she put into this sauce.
Hi everybody, so I did a half a cup of mayo, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of chipotle pepper adobo sauce.
Let me get that so I can show you what that looks like. So this is what she put in, and she didn't put the pepper, she just used the adobo sauce. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I did a half teaspoon of garlic, a half teaspoon of honey or enough sweetener to balance out the sauce. So what we ended up using for this was like a
liquid stevia.
Liquid stevia. It was like 1 squirt. I guess that's what she did. That's what you did.
I actually did two little drops, not even a whole dropper full.
So if you have stevia, then you can do like 2 drops. That'll balance out the sauce. And then I did 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. So I did Cholula, but you could do whatever you have or whatever you prefer. And that's it.
Okay, so we also have toasted our buns, and we toasted them on top of the stove with a little bit of butter, and we're going to prepare our sandwiches. Bree, you can go first.
I need to get a butter knife. Is this good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Move this out your mouth, because I'm going to use the spoon.
I just like a light layer. I'm not big on mayo. I just like enough to taste it, so. It smells so good. All right.
Oh, let me get some tongs. And I'm not putting pickles on mine. Did you want pickles, Brie?
I don't like pickles.
So we're gonna skip the pickles tonight.
Which one was mine?
This one was yours.
Okay. Am I supposed to stack it, Mom?
You can do it whatever way you want. It's your sandwich.
Just a little bit. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I'm gonna assemble mine and then we're going to taste our version of the Popeye's chicken sandwich. Brie put ketchup on her french fries. I'm a native Washingtonian, so for me, it's mumbo sauce. And I like the spicy one. Whew, okay, here's the moment of truth.
That's really good. We don't need Popeyes. She's doing her dance.
That is good. If you listen closely, you could hear the crunch from the chicken. The sauce is fantastic. Having both the toasted bun with butter, all of it just came together and it is perfect. I don't know what else to say, except I'm going to close this video out. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us tonight. Again, it's Saturday, May 2nd, where we put together our own Popeye's chicken sandwich. And I hope you'll come back and visit me again. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye. So what I did is I started with a half a cup of mayo, a half a cup of cayenne pepper. No,
Half a cup of
I'm sorry. A half.
Let's start
teaspoon.
over. Let's start over.
Dang, Mom.
That's okay. That's fine. I was like, they gonna put a half a cup of cayenne in there. They in trouble.